Now let's deploy it by copying this file and paste it here. I have already created a file deploy.js. Now let's see how we can deploy it. Copy this code and just paste it in hardhead config.js file. Paste it here, and you require two things here. One is a quick node API key URL, and second is Coldly private network. So let's copy that URL. Okay, it says that it's fetching from process.env.model. So let's solid yarn add env. It's a package which allow us to create a .env file and use these variables from there. Okay, sorry, I have stored a wrong. Let's remove env and let's .env. Add .env. Okay, once it's downloaded, then now create a new file inside the root directory .env and paste this in here. Just remember that don't commit this file ever, because it have your private key. So this private key should not be revealed to anyone. So I will not going to reveal you, but I'll let you know how we can get it. You have to just go there and go to account details and then export private key from here. So that's how you can export the private key. I will going to export it for my use, then I will add it here. Let's just copy this from here, this URL, and paste it here. Okay, don't use this one also, because I will going to delete it after this tutorial. You can create your own quick node. Let's see. Okay, as I said that don't commit these files, .env file. So you can create a .ignore file. I think we already have. Yes, we already have it. Just paste it here. Node modules, env, coverage. Yes, everything is already here. So .env file should be here. So it will not going to commit this env file. Okay. Now let's deploy it.